In our life and study, we often need to copy the text content of different pages to WPS document in order to save records. Sometimes copying and pasting text into WPS document can lead to a messy layout of the content, and also the font size may not be uniform. In this case, we can use the clear formatting function. It can clear all the formats of the selected text and only keep the unformatted text. Take this document as an example. What we only need to do is select the content of the document and click the Clear Formatting button on the upper tab Home. In this way, the format of the selected text can be cleared and only the unformatted text is retained. If we want to modify the default text format, we can click Menu, Format, and Font, or use the shortcut key Ctrl-D to enter the text dialog box in order to set the default font. After setting your font, click Default and then OK to confirm the default settings. In this way, every time users clear formats, they can clear the format of the text and keep the default unformatted text. After unifying the text format, we can modify and beautify the text content according to the actual situation. What a practical skill! Do you get it?